Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you a new feature of Pixel 8 and Android 14 that was released with the December update, and I hadn't had time to make a little video yet. I'll show you how to use a Pixel 8 or any Android 14 smartphone as a webcam for your PC. Let's start. Just connect the USB cable to the phone. As you can see, the Android system notification starts immediately, where we have to choose whether to charge the smartphone or access the data. So let's go to that notification and we will finally find the webcam option. Just press webcam, go back, and essentially the phone has been detected as a webcam by the PC. We have another notification that appears immediately after, where we can see the preview of the webcam display here. We can change the zoom or change the camera to the front one. Here it is. Let me also tell you about the zoom. As you can see, we can activate the 1x, 2x or 3x zoom levels by pinching the screen with 2 fingers. Additionally, there is an option to adjust the brightness and contrast of the webcam feed for better image quality. The 2 times or 0.6 times. Okay, let us go on the personal computer. Let us see what happens. Just open any application that uses the webcam, for example, the Windows camera application. And here it has detected our webcam that is already in use. In fact, you see the infinite Inception effect in short, in which we shoot the video anyway. It is a very useful feature, especially for a quick thing maybe, without the need to buy a webcam. And if you have fixed personal computers where usually there are no integrated webcams. As always, I remember, if you like my videos and they are interesting, subscribe to the channel and leave a like. Thanks to everyone. Goodbye.